Hello guys, in today's video we are going to fold this origami icosahedron. For this we will need 15 square sheets of 15 centimeter, which we will fold into half and make 2 modules from each sheets, so that for total we will get 30 modules. So fold each units as shown in the video. I have used 3 colors of paper. You can use any type of colors or designs as per you like, and if you want a bigger model you can take larger square sheets, and if you need smaller model you can take smaller sheets. When you are folding, try to fold in maximum accurate manner because it will affect the finishing of the final model. And as you can see, I am using a double-sided sheet here, but only the yellow side will be visible in the finished model. So our first module is ready, and fold all other units in the similar manner. And let's start assembling the model. So as you can see in this video, this is the way to join 2 modules together. So you repeat after one another, and once you add 5 units, you have to join the first unit to the last unit. Here as you can see, I am adding the 5th unit here. So I am taking the first unit on top of the 5th one and entering it into the last one. This is how you lock the first phase where you have a 5 unit model. And into that we will keep on adding all the modules in a similar way, where we have on each corner we will have 5 modules. And also on the side, as you can see, we are forming a triangle like shape where 3 colors are meeting. So on each corner of the triangles we will add 5 modules and move on with the same step until you get a icosahedron shape. So basically what we are doing here is creating a triangle on each side, and on each corners we will have 5 modules joined together, and on each faces you will have a triangle. And if you are working with 3 color sheets just like me, just be careful that we don't repeat same colors on one triangle itself. Try to distribute all the colors in each triangle. As here you can see, yellow, pink and orange has come in each triangle. So I have made sure that I am not repeating the same color. We'll be fast forwarding some portions where we are doing the same steps, as I don't want this video to be so long. Try to be very gentle with the paper and don't press too much. While finishing the model you will need a lot of patience because this is a little bit tougher model. It's an intermediate level origami. Also, if you like the videos you see in this channel, kindly consider subscribing to my channel, where I upload origami videos and other paper craft videos daily. And if you have any doubts or questions regarding this model or any other things related to this, you can comment below and I will be replying to that. And also, if you have any friends who likes to do origami and other paper craft, kindly share this video to them also. We are halfway done here, and I want you to know that when we are getting to this point it will get more difficult to insert the pieces, so please be patient and not make any extra folds on the module. In the end, it will look like this, where you just have to finish the model and insert the last modules together. This will be a little bit difficult as you already finished the 90% of the model, but be sure that you patiently insert the last module. As you can see, I am using some tools here to insert it properly, and try to loosen up the other modules too so that it can go inside. So the model is almost ready. Just make sure all the modules are fitted inside properly and everything is inserted in the right way. I am very happy with the finished model, as this is how I expected it to be, and I hope you guys try this out and give me a feedback on this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.